Hello, I'm Ashwati Krishna and welcome back to the Net Effect. I hope you are staying happy and healthy. In my channel, you can expect short video tutorials that will help you to crack UGC Net. Today I will give you a short talk on teaching aptitude, the first unit of your general paper for UGC Net. During the lecture, I'll try to explain more points and topics for you. And always remember to spend a little bit of time for UGC Net preparation every day. Let's begin. Let's see the definitions of teaching. Henry Clinton Morrison. H.C. Morrison is an important name that you should remember. Okay, for him, teaching is a disciplined social process in which teacher influences the behavior of the less experienced pupil and helps him develop according to the needs and ideas of the society. Teaching is reduced to what the teacher teaches. Teaching is an intimate contact between a more mature personality and a less mature one, which is designed to further the education of the latter. It's an autocratic point of view, that is, it's a teacher-centered point of view. Next, we have B.O. Smith. He terms teaching as an organized system of specific activities that are aimed to help the learner to learn something. Teaching can be carried out in the absence of teacher. Teaching is a tripolar process. There should be an agent, that is the source, human or material that tries to produce learning. That's an agent. And the second thing is the goal or target, that is to be achieved through the process of teaching. And the third point is the intervening variable, consists of learning, teaching situation or event. That is what B.O. Smith talked about teaching. Next is John Brubacher. For John Brubacher, teaching is an arrangement and manipulation of a situation in which there are gaps and obstructions which an individual will seek to overcome and from which he will learn in the course of doing so. Pupil play the central role here. So please note down that here pupil play the central role. Brubacher's concept is a laissez-faire concept. That is, it's a subject-centric point of view. So let's see what N.L. Gage talked about teaching. For N.L. Gage, teaching is a personal relationship between the teacher and the taught. Teaching is a personal relationship between the teacher and the taught, causing behavior modification. He defines teaching from a democratic point of view. Okay, so for Morrison, it was an autocratic point of view. For John Brubacher, it was laissez-faire point of view. And for N.L. Gage, it is a democratic point of view. Okay, for Amidon, teaching is a process of interaction. It's a two-way traffic. Teaching is a properly planned and clearly defined activities undertaken for the achievement of certain objectives. All those organized activities that may result in modifying the behavior of the learner as teaching. But Green gave a narrow concept by calling teaching as a profession and said teaching is what teacher does for the development of a child. Let's also check basic requirements of teaching. There you can see three variables: dependent variable, independent variable and intervening variable. In the dependent variable category, you can see it is student. And the independent variable here is teacher and the intervening variable is interactions, teaching method, etc. And what are the nature of teaching? It's a professional activity, interactive process, science as well as art, dynamic process. And the objective of teaching: impart knowledge, develop skills, bring social, behavioral and desirable changes. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my video, make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned and I'll come with another exciting episode. Bye-bye.